Are you looking for the best foam rollers in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best foam rollers that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, Amazon Basics, High Density Round Foam Roller. This is the best foam roller to get hard into your muscles before, during, and after a hard workout session. The material combinations used are designed to get deep into your muscles no matter your weight category. You can select from 12 inches, 18 inches, 24 inches and 36 inches in length for many types of routines you would like to do on a high-density foam roller. It has a diameter of 6 inches. It is made of the high-density material that will maintain its firmness and shape after moderate to heavy use. At number 4, Day One Fitness, High-Density Muscle Foam Rollers. Originally made in the USA and from high-quality materials, you get a combination of 4 sizes of foam rollers, which each has its own benefits. The high-density EP foam supports up to 300 pounds and can resist bending or breaking under tension or weight. The foam provides a firm, deep tissue massage that can be utilized for long-term therapy. At number 3, Rumble Roller, Textured Muscle Foam Roller. For those looking to tone their bodies into shape and have excellent maneuverability, then we highly recommend this foam roller from Rumble Roller. The Rumble Roller Foam Muscle Roller is made from durable materials designed to outlast any other foam roller that is good enough for everyday use. The shape also assists in this penetration to release muscle tightness, tissue tension, and increasing general flexibility. At number 2, Pro Source, High Density Extra Firm Foam Roller. At number 2, we have this high-density foam roller from Pro Source. The main reasons for its high ranking are its affordability and high density. As explained in the beginning of this review, you can do different types of exercises on a foam roller. A limiting factor, or in this case an enabling one, is the length. You can get 2 varying sizes to suit your exercise regimen without breaking an arm and a leg. Due to its extra high density, it is bound to keep its shape under the highest of stresses, to serve you and get deep into the muscles for years. At number 1, REEHUT, Firm High Density Muscle Rollers. This is a high-density foam roller designed to release the tension in your muscles after a long day's workout. Its hollow design and materials make it easy to move it with you from your workplace, gym, and home at any time. The shape of the roller replicates the hands and fingers of a masseuse to soothe those muscles after a long workout session. This is a must-have for fitness devotees. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.